Here we will go to the clear soup making process. First note down the ingredients. 1 large Spanish onion, 1 teaspoon of mixed herb, half head of celery, 1.5 ounces of butter, 1 carrot, 1 turnip and pepper and salt to taste. That was the ingredient. Now next go to the cooking process. First we have to chop up the onion, but that should be fine. And next we have to fry it until brown in the butter in the saucepan that we will make the soup. And then along with this we have to add 5 pints of water. Next we have to cut the small pieces of carrot and prepare it along with turnip, celery, and add this by along with nutmeg and herbs and pepper and salt to the water along with the fried onions. When the vegetables become tender, we have to drain the liquid and return it to the saucepan and then boil the soup up again. Then our dish will be made, that is clear soup. Thank you. Try this healthy dish. Thank you.